Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Junry Malinge, or just for me, Teacher Junry, a licensed professional teacher major in mathematics. Ako po ay gumagawa ng mga Tagalog math tutorial mula grade 7 hanggang grade 11. Ito po ay tulong at dedikasyon para sa mga magulang, sa mga magtuturo, at lalo-lalo na sa ating mga kabataan. Ayan, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to like and share and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga bagong video na ipapalabas. Stay tuned! I'm back, it's me again, Teacher GM. Sa araw na ito is tatalakayin naman natin sa grade 8 tungkol po sa square of a binomial. But before that, i-recall muna natin ang special products. So ano nga ba ang special products? Ang special products are obtained through definite patterns. Bakit definite patterns? Kasi ito ay special dahil mayroon itong shortcut method na kung saan ito ay nagpapabilis sa pag-solve. Ayan, ito po ay malaking tulong kung paano tayo mapabilis sa pagsusolve ng square of a binomial. Okay. Bago natin simulan, balikan muna natin ang mga laws of exponents. So, laws of exponents. So, ano-ano nga ba ang mga laws of exponents? Una, meron po tayong tinatawag na the product of powers. The product of powers. Paano ba naman ito i-solve? So, bigyan ko kayo ng halimbawa. Ayan, halimbawa. So, a raised to m times a raised to n equals. So, we're going to multiply. So, a times a, and then, we're going to add the exponents or the raise. So, m plus n, that is a, m, n. This is our final answer. Nakuha. So, how about this one? Number 2. X raised to 4 times x raised to 5. Now, we're going to multiply. So, x, and we're going to combine our exponents of 4 plus 5. That is x. 4 plus 5, we have 9. So, that is x raised to 9. Number 3. Example number 3. How about kapag mayroon tayong negative sa problem? So, negative 3x m raised to 3 times 5m raised to 8. So now, paano natin ito may solve? Kung mayroon tayong negative sign dyan. So, ano ang dapat natin gawin? So, we're going to multiply lang. So, negative times positive. Negative 3 times positive 5, that is negative 15m. And we're going to add our exponent. So, 3 plus 8 equal negative 15m. 3 plus 8, that is 11. So, negative 15m raised to 11. Nakuha. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, letter B. Pangalawang laws of exponents. Meron tayong tinatawag na power of power. Power of power. Ano nga ba itong power of power? Halimbawa, meron tayong quantity a raised to m raised to n equal. So, paano natin ito mai-solve? So, we're going to multiply. So, a m times n. So, we're going to multiply our what? Our exponent. So, m times n. So, equal a, m times n, we have m, n. This is our final answer. Another example, how about this one? Number 2. Quantity x raised to 4 raised to 5. So, how are we going to solve that one? Paano natin ito may solve? So, we have x, and we're going to multiply our exponent. So, 4 times 5 equal. So, x, 4 times 5, 20. So, our answer is x raised to 20. So, number 3. How about this one? Tulad nito. Meron tayong quantity of negative 2x raised to 3 raised to 2. So, we're going to solve that one. Paano natin ito may solve? So, let's say, we're going to, what? We're going to i-separate natin ang negative 2 at saka x raised to 3. So, we have negative 2 raised to 2 times. We have x raised to 3 raised to 2. So, we have, then we're going to multiply. So, negative 2 times negative 2, we have positive 4. Because negative times negative is positive. Times x, we're going to copy the x. Then 3 times 2, we have 6. And equal 4 times x. We have 4x raised to 6. This is our final answer. Nakuha. Okay, let's proceed. Laws of exponents, number 3. Ayan, pangatlo. So, mayroon tayong power of a product. Power of a product. So paano natin ito maisosolve? Halimbawa, tulad nito. Meron tayong the quantity of a, b raised to m. So now, paano natin ito maisosolve? So we're going to distribute our exponent to our a and b. So we have a raised to m and b raised to m. Nakuha. Okay. So mayroon tayong tinatawag na square of a binomial. Ito ngayon. So paano natin ito maisosolve? So for example, meron akong halimbawa dito guys. So the quantity of a plus b raised to equal. So paano natin yan maisosolve? So let's say we're going to apply the FOIL method. Or we have this one is a plus b, quantity a plus b. Yan. So paano natin ito i-apply sa FOIL method? So we have, let's say we have f, o, I, l. So what do you mean by f? That is the first term. So the first term we have, our first term is, we're going to multiply this is our first term. So we have a times e. Our outer term, yung pinaka huling-huli, so we have a times b. Alright? Yan, this one at saka this one. Next, our inner term. Our inner term is this one. So b times a. And next, we have our last term. So we have b times b equals. So we have our a times a, that is a squared. A times b, ab. A times b times a, that is ab. And we have b times b, that is b squared. And we're going to combine like terms. So magiging, ano ang ating square of a binomial? Magiging, ayan, we have a squared plus, ano magiging sagot natin? A squared plus 2ab. Bakit 2ab? Kasi meron yang 1 at saka 1 dyan. So 1 plus 1 nagiging 2ab plus b squared. So this is our square of a binomials. Nakuha. Square of a binomial class, marami itong special products, pero sa araw na ito is we're going to focus on the square of a binomial. Kasi napaka wide kasi ito eh. Hindi natin ito matatapos, baka aabot tayo ng 2 oras para matapos itong special products. So now, meron tayong tinatawag na shortcut method. So ano nga ba ito? So meron tayong other way in solving this kind of problem para mapabilis ang ating pagsosolve, which is shortcut method. Depende po yan sa inyo guys kung ano ang dapat yung gawin, ano ang mas napapabilis sa pagsosolve nitong problem na ito. So depends upon you. So now, ngayon, gagamitin natin to or i-apply natin to ang shortcut method para sa inyo guys, para every time na makarating kayo ng college, alam niyo na kung paano gagawin ang shortcut method. Ayan, ito guys. Shortcut method ay the first one is gagawin natin is we're going to square the first term. So we're going to square the first term. I-square natin ang first term. Square the first term. HS, we have a squared. So for example, this one, quantity a plus b. So we're going to square the first term. So we have first term, this is our first term, a. So a, and then square this one. So we have a raised to 2. Next step is we're going to twice the product of the first term and the last term. Ibig sabihin, i-twice natin ang product sa first term at saka sa last term. For example, this one, we have twice. Our raised to 2, so we have 2 times our first term at saka last term, we have AB equal. So we have 2 times AB, that is 2AB. Yun. Nakuha. So in the last step, we have square the second term. So i-square natin ang second term. Ano nga bang ating second term? Which is the B. So we have equal B, square lang natin, so raised to 2. So now our answer, that would be A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. Para mas lalong maintindihan nyo, magbigay ako ng mga halimbawa or ito ay gagamitin natin sa shortcut method. So halimbawa guys, tulad nito, number 1, mayroon tayong quantity of A plus 4 raised to the power of raised to equal. So first is we're going to square the first term. What is our first term? That is letter A. So square, so we have A squared plus our next step that is twice the product of the first term and the last term. I-twice natin ang product sa first term at saka sa last term. So we have 2 times A times 4 plus, and we have going to square the second term. So let's say we have 4 raised to 2. Next, we're going to multiply A squared, so that is A squared plus 2, multiply first inside the parentheses, so A times 4, that is 4A plus, and simplify. 4 times 4, that is 16. And we have A squared plus 2 times 4A, that is 8A plus 16. So this is our final answer. Nakuha. Okay, number 2. Quantity P plus 7 raised to 2 equal quantity of P plus 7 raised to 2. So we're going to square our first term, P squared plus, we're going to what? Next step natin is, huwag kalimutan, twice the product of the first term and the last term. We're getting twice the product of the first term and the last term. 2 times P times 7 plus, and we're going to what? We're going to square the second term. We have 7 raised to 2 equal P squared plus 2, and multiply first inside the parentheses. 7 times P is 7P plus, multiplied by itself, 7 times 7 is 49. Next, we have P squared plus 2 times 7 is 14, P plus 49. So this is our final answer. Number 5. What about nag-involve sa negative sign? So same process pa rin, guys. So the first one is we're going to square the first term. So we're going to square the first term. So we have W raised to 2. We have negative. So we have negative. Negative 2 times. We're going to twice the product of the first term and the last term, right? So we have W times 9, and we have positive 9 squared. Next, we have W squared negative 2. W times is 9W plus multiplied by itself, so 81. Next is W raised to minus 2 times 9 is 18W plus 81. So this is our final answer. Ngayon guys, meron akong ibigay na homework para sa inyo. Tatlo lang ito guys. So, itry nyo po ito isolve at ilagay nyo sa comment box ang sagot nyo para i-check ko ang mga sagot nyo lahat. Okay? Ayan, ito na. Ayan na guys, ang homework nyo is number 1. Quantity of x plus 5 raised to 5. Number 2. The quantity of b plus 5c raised to 2. Number 3. The quantity of 3x minus 2y raised to 2. Ayan. I'm back. Ayan. Kung nakatulong po ito sa inyo, please like this video at mag-comment na rin kayo sa baba. It's me again, Teacher JM. Laging nagsasabing, stay safe, stay home, stay healthy, at mag-aral ng mabuti para sa may magandang kinabukasan. See you to my next vlog. God bless and goodbye.